What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan coming with another video. And today's video, what I want to talk about is scientists in the UK found cocaine in shrimp, traces of cocaine in shrimp. Now, how the hell that happens? Are they dumping cocaine in the ocean? I just don't understand how you can find cocaine in shrimp. Is the shrimp made in the labs and then they put them in a shrimp farm or something like that? What's going on that they finding these traces of cocaine in shrimp? What I don't understand is animals are on drugs now. We live in a society where everything is just drug induced. Cocaine, crack, heroin, especially here in the US, heroin is a big issue. Fentanyl now is a big issue. So what's gonna be next? You're gonna start eating beef with fentanyl in it. We're gonna have crack babies and stuff like that. Horses that are high on heroin and shit like that. Steroids, you know, all these drugs now. Steroids are put in cows and stuff like that. But how the hell do shrimp have traces of cocaine in them? And they found this in the UK. Because a drug addict is not going to dump their cocaine in the ocean or throw away money like that to have their cocaine just thrown in the water. So what I don't understand is how. I just don't understand how shrimp have cocaine in it. All I can picture is a piece of shrimp chilling with the homeboys with a dollar bill sniffing cocaine. That's the only thing I can picture right now. It just doesn't make any sense. That just lets you know that we're living in a crazy world. The world been crazy when it came back in the days. They actually say we're living in a more peaceful time now, but is this drugs is everywhere now? Is animals are taking drugs now? Do they have like little corner stores in the water? Is SpongeBob and the whole crew just sniffing cocaine down in the ocean? It just doesn't make any sense. It doesn't. I don't understand how these traces. If you're a scientist or you're somebody who knows more than me about shit like that, how the hell are they becoming high on cocaine right now? Them traces of cocaine is it the government, UK government, mass producing cocaine and it gets in the shrimp, or are they exporting cocaine through shrimp and stuff like that, or somehow they contaminated with the shrimp because they're exporting cocaine to different countries and stuff like that? That's what I think that's happening. I just don't see SpongeBob and his crew in the ocean sniffing cocaine or selling cocaine on the corner. The shrimps are getting high. SpongeBob is selling shrimp cocaine and shit like that. It just doesn't make any sense to me. So, I mean, it's a crazy world that the way that we eat now, and the thing is, in the UK, they're more stricter with their food when it comes to labeling and stuff like that. Here in America, they just don't even give a fuck, and we're supposed to be a higher society than most countries, and it don't even look like that anymore. If you're smarter than me, tell me in the description how they getting high off of cocaine, or is that because they transporting cocaine with shrimp and stuff like that? Just let me know. Down in my description, you're gonna see a couple of my favorite books that I love to read. Also, my jump rope that I'm using right now is gonna be in the description, and also my favorite blender, which is a Vitamix, is gonna be down in the description. If you want to buy a Vitamix, go ahead, it'll be in the description. And also, just let me know, man, how the hell are shrimp being contaminated with cocaine? Just let me know. Subscribe to my channel, share it, like it. Thank you for watching. Peace.